Hey, it's Alex at Ingage, and I've got a few tips on how to upgrade your existing content to take advantage of our latest features with pop-ups. So here I've got a page that uses one of our older media pop-ups and a README. All I have to do is select my object, right-click, and choose Upgrade Action to Pop-up. Then I'll choose a new pop-up layout, and I'm all set. Let's edit the new pop-up. I can come in here, and now I've got complete control over the style of my text and the layout of all of the objects inside the pop-up. So we'll crop the image, clean it up, and it looks great. Now let's tune up that old README button to be more visual. I'll choose the button, right-click, and choose Upgrade Action to Pop-up. Now I can choose from one of the new text-only layouts. This one looks good. And let's edit the pop-up. And so all the text has been brought over. Let's start by changing that icon with this lovely info icon. And now we'll style the text. So we now have control over things like paragraph spacing and fully stylable text. So let's style this with our heading style so it's consistent with the rest of the presentation. And there you go. That looks great and much more visual. Now it's possible you may have a presentation that has even older buttons that don't take advantage of our latest features with actions. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just right-click the button, choose Upgrade button, and select it. Now you'll see that it has an action. It's fully editable. You can edit the text, the size, the style, and even upgrade the action to a pop-up. We think you'll love all the enhancements we've been making to buttons, actions, and pop-ups inside Ingage, and we can't wait to see what you make.